Website hosting, is it good when it's cheap and reliable? This presentation is brought to you by WordPressJunkies.com. Get 75% discount off your first 6 months. See details at end of video. Hi, my name is Melissa with WordPressJunkies.com. I have been contacted by many internet business owners who have been wondering lately if it is possible to find cheap website hosting without having to sacrifice much needed features for their business. With so many choices for website hosting available today, it can be very confusing for people doing business on the internet to get the information that they need to determine if cheap website hosting is a good choice for their website. First of all, you want to decide what types of website hosting features are vital to your internet business. If you do not need a whole lot of bells and whistles with your website hosting, you are very likely to be able to find a cheap website hosting package that will meet your basic needs. Many companies that offer cheap website hosting have packages available that start at around $10 per month. Shared hosting can be another alternative for those looking for cheap website hosting. Shared website hosting is when several instances of the same service can be found on a single server. This can be an extremely economical way for a website owner to get cheap website hosting, and you can generally upgrade your service as needed and still get website hosting for a reasonable price. You want to really pay attention to the amount of bandwidth that a website hosting company allows you when you are looking for cheap website hosting. Nothing would be worse than having your website go down for going over your allowed bandwidth. This is an excellent way to lose both existing customers as well as potential new customers. So while there is nothing wrong with spending a nice amount of money on hosting for your website, many business owners will find that cheap website hosting fits the needs of their online business perfectly. A quick internet search will point you in the direction of where to start looking for cheap website hosting. For more information on website hosting, web hosting, and WordPress hosting, please visit www.wordpressjunkies.com website hosting or call us toll-free at 1-800-769-6010 and be sure to ask about our 75% off for 6 months website hosting deal. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.